then I got me and Paul a dirt bike for Christmas. A black dirt bike. Sarah got me a PW50.
Oh my god! Timmy!
You ride wheelies?
No, I don't know how.
Oh, you're gonna have to learn, huh? Is there a sticker on the front of it too?
Oh, it's a rose! It's a rose. Violet, you didn't.
Is it for Scarlett Rose?
Yeah. Papa made it go fast. Yeah, really, really fast. I put it back and it goes.
Gotta let it warm up, okay, bud? Okay, Muff?
Like 10 miles an hour. I wanted to take my bike and show my friends.
No. No. Go fast. Papa wants to see you go fast. What, Muff? Go. Huh?
They're outside 3 houses down. The brown Suburban. Can we go there?
Yeah.
Paul, let's go to Carmelita's.
Did you crash?
Yeah,
What'd you crash into?
the red gate.
Put it in gear. Hold on, put the kickstand up.
What?
Your foot. Put it in gear, Muff.
That's the only time I crashed.
Are you skidding the tires?
Oh!
Did you skid the tires?
No!
Don't do that.
Ah! After we rode them in the neighborhood, we took them down to the dirt field across the street.
You wanna go ride in the field?
Yeah.
Take it. You guys wanna take it? You guys wanna take them down to the dirt? All right, wait. Hey, come on. Across the street, let's go. Go that way, in the dirt.
Dirtbikes and race Paul.
Did you win?
Yeah, most of the time. I race Paul and I won half the time.
Scarlett! 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 Honey? What are you saying?
It's still cold. It's already been an hour.
It's already been an hour. You're done?
I put a GoPro on and it kept on falling, so you could only see the sky. Dad put the GoPro on my handlebars and it kept falling down.
All right. Apparently Polly doesn't know what halfway to the street means, but Muffy does. If you can't listen, buddy, you're too young for a dirt bike. I said halfway to the street. Wait until I get to the street. You guys stay right here until I get to the street, okay? Okay? Okay, come on! Slow down. Okay, come on. Over here. Let's go to the other side of the street and we'll ride on the sidewalk, okay? Slow. Yeah, and we'll ride all the way home on the sidewalk really slow, okay? And you wait for me before you cross the street, okay? Paul, go over there. Go to that corner. Cross, go to that side. Come up. Okay, you guys.
It's not running.
Yours turned off? All right. Go put it in the garage. Go park them in the garage. You like your dirt bike?
Yeah.
You go fast?
Yeah.
How fast does it go?
3 miles an hour.
It only goes 3 miles an hour?
No, I said 30.
30 miles an hour? Holy moly, you're able to hold on?
Yeah.
Oh, you're crazy. Can you do any jumps?
Nope.
Can you ride a pop a wheelie?
Nope.
How come?
You have to teach me.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna subscribe to the channel.